Seeing a check engine light is annoying enough, but when you pull a code referring to cylinder number 9, you know you are dealing with a beast of an engine, likely a heavy-duty diesel workhorse. If you have scanned your vehicle and are staring at code P021C, you are dealing with a cylinder 9 injection timing malfunction. This is not a run-of-the-mill spark plug issue. This code specifically means your Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, has realized that the timing circuit for the fuel injector on cylinder 9 is out of sync. In the world of modern diesels, timing is everything. We're not just talking about dumping fuel into the cylinder, we're talking about injecting it at the precise microsecond to handle pressures that can skyrocket up to 35,000 psi. That is enough pressure to cut through skin. So please, if you are not experienced with high-pressure fuel systems, take this as a serious warning. The system uses the crankshaft and camshaft position sensors to know exactly when to pulse that injector. If there's a discrepancy, the computer sets this code. You are likely feeling a nasty misfire, a stumble when you try to accelerate, or smelling raw diesel fuel. Before you start tearing into the engine, check the basic. Look for a Technical Service Bulletin for your specific truck or van, as manufacturers often release updates for these issues. If you are going under the hood, start by inspecting the wiring harness around cylinder 9. Diesel engines vibrate heavily, and it's very common for wires to rub against a bracket and short out. If the wiring looks good and you have already ruled out camshaft or crankshaft sensor codes, you might be looking at a bad injector solenoid or a timing component issue. Diagnosing this requires a solid scanner and a digital multimeter to test the solenoid against the manufacturer's specs. Remember, do not ignore this. A timing issue in a high compression diesel can lead to severe engine damage if that fuel ignites at the wrong moment.